Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 23. How to use Microsoft Keyword Planner. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use Microsoft Keyword Planner, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, go to Tools and select Keyword Planner. Here you get all these options: find new keywords, get search volume data and trends, and get performance and cost estimates. Click on Search for new keywords using a phrase, website or category, and then enter your product or service. Let's say it is woodworking, then enter your landing page link, select to use the entire site. Next we have targeting. You can get more info about it from here. Here select your language, location, keyword filters, search network, click on Edit button and choose your search network from here. Back here, enter your date range, click on Edit and enter your date range. Click on Get Suggestions button and you'll get keyword suggestions with their average monthly searches. Here you can see that some keywords have higher value. On left, you can see Ad Group sorted by relevance, select one. Here you get so many keywords, all sorted by relevance. Then we have average monthly searches, next to it we have competition. Click on Info button that tells you what it is and what you should know. Read it carefully to get a clear idea. On top we have Back to Campaigns link, also you can see the path where we are. So this is how you can use the Microsoft Keyword Planner. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 24. Search for keywords using Google Keyword Planner. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to search for keywords using Google Keyword Planner, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.